Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So, it's thunderstorming here. You may hear some thunder. I'm going to play, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to start out with a white base and put some of these colors that I had left over in it and probably blow it with a blow dryer and see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to use the spray bottle or not. Haven't decided yet. So, I don't have very much of this one. This is Liquitex Bright Aqua Green, I think is the name of it. So, I'm just going to string it on there. I want quite a bit of paint on it, I think. And do some blowing. This is awfully bright. I hope it doesn't look horrible. Have this pretty dioxazine purple. That was straight cobalt. Dioxazine purple that's been lightened up. These are basically the same colors that I used last night, I think, but with the cobalt instead of the metallic, because that sunk on me in that other video, which I'm not sure I've even uploaded yet. I don't remember. I'm trying to make several on the weekend so I can upload them during the week in case I don't get time. And this is a really dark, I believe what I did is I inadvertently dumped some dioxazine purple into my raw sienna. No, raw umber that I had that was really dark brown. And it made it very dark. So, we'll see how that works. Get all this stuff back so I don't blow it over again. Now I'm going to look at it and decide what I want to do. I have a lot of cells that look cute. But I'm not wild about this whole design thing going on here. So, maybe I'll see if it'll run down the middle and see what happens. See what happens then. Kind of like that little arched look right there. See if y'all can see it. How it's running down on each side. Kind of like that. But I don't know if I just want to leave it like that. Sides look terrible. Now that there's reflections. My problem is I like for my paintings to look like something. I like it when they look like stone. I like it when they look like ice and water. I like it when they look like space. I don't like it when I can't see any real resemblance to something looking at them. Those colors are so pretty. Wow. I don't know what I want to do here. Maybe I'll just leave it. That dark purple didn't do me any favors because it was really too dark. I mean, it gave good contrast, but I don't particularly like the color. It looks too brown in places. Some places looks okay, but other places don't. So, you know me, I'm tempted to hit it with that spray bottle, but I don't think I'm going to this time. I do have a lot of paint left on here. So I would kind of like for this piece right here to keep on dropping and drop on off. So I hope y'all can see that. I just love how that droops down. Almost looks like fabric. Strange looking fabric. Let's see if I can get that to shift off down there a little bit. Don't have that big blue streak. Tilt it back over this way just a little bit. I'd like to get some off this other edge too. I did turn my lamp on, set it over here in this part of the basement so y'all could have a little bit more light on this situation. I think it's still running down too. All right. I like that. I'll I almost want to take the water bottle to it, you know, just to see. But I think I'm going to leave it alone because I really kind of like that color. All those colors. Whew, I'll have to remember. Bright aqua green. Dioxazine purple that was lightened a little bit. Pure dioxazine would be good because I darkened that and it didn't look really all that pretty. Straight cobalt is the dark blue. And then white. Those are the colors. So, mixed really thin. That's why they're running like they are. That's okay, I kind of like that. So, it almost looks like light shining down into something, you know. So, thank you for joining me. I hope you all like this one. If you don't, tell me. It's okay. I'm going to touch up my sides and my corners, and I will give you a close-up and let you see what I see when I'm standing here looking down on it. So, thank you again. Getting this where you all don't see that reflection is hard for me. I'm doing the best I can. So this is how it looks. I really like how that drapes down. It almost, I don't know, looks like it's water running down or something. So I'm not real wild about that little spot right there, but I might try tilting it off a little bit because I think that's just looks like a big eye. A big eyeball. So that's how it turned out. Kind of fun. Thanks for watching.